Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy BlackRock funds, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy BlackRock funds, start by researching the specific funds you want to invest in. Visit the official BlackRock website to gather detailed information and performance metrics. Create an account on the site if you haven't done so already. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the investment section of the website to explore available funds. Select the desired fund you wish to allocate your investment to. Review the fund's prospectus to understand its strategies, risks, and fees. Determine your investment amount based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Add the fund to your cart or investment portfolio. Proceed to the checkout or investment confirmation page to finalize your allocation. Verify all details, including the investment amount and fund selection. Submit your investment order. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of your investment. Monitor the performance of your BlackRock fund through your account dashboard. Consider setting up alerts for significant changes in the fund's performance. Stay informed about market trends and how they may affect your investments. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.